guys, welcome back again. In this section of the Kaftan suit, we are going to be considering how to cut the chest dart of the front panel and to sew it. So that's what we'll be considering in this section right now. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, look down below this video. You see a subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all, so that you will get notified as soon as I drop the next video. Let's now proceed with the cutting. So this, I'm going to be marking these 5 inches. I'm going to mark 5 inches here. I also mark 5 inches here. So I will mark a half here and also half here. So what I will do now is that I will pick the center of this. I pick the center, then I will give it a cut, and the dart should not be too long. The dart should be 8 inches in length. So the dart should be 8 inches. So this is the length of the dart that I'm going to cut, and I will now give it a cut. Now I want you to know something. First of all, I join the two front panel of this Kaftan suit. Look at the bottom side, find out that they are not equal, and this is the upper side, they are equal. On other side, only on the bottom area that they are not equal. So the reason for joining them equal on other side is so that it will be in alignment. As soon as I cut on this, it will now reflect to the back side of it, which is what I mean. As soon as I cut this here, it will come out here. So I'm cutting the two front panel at the same time. So I will fold it this way. Then I will give a cut. So this cut I gave now it also appear at the back side. I will now give it so we take it to the machine right now to run the stitch, and meanwhile, from these 8 inches we project extra 2 inches at the bottom side and 2 inches at the upper side. So let's move straight to the machine right now to continue with the stitch. So I'm right now at the machine. So I want to show you how to run the chest darts. So remember I said 2 inches at the bottom area and 2 inches at the upper side. I will then move back to the table to iron this to relax well. So I'm back on the table, and this is my pressing pillow. I will be putting on top of the pressing pillow to iron. This is my stretcher or my smoother. I get the cotton fabric and place it on top of it before I iron the front of it. So you can see how neat it is. So I will still do the other side the same way. So this is all about it. It's all about cutting and sewing the front darts for this kaftan suit. Please look down below this video. If you have not yet subscribed on this channel, hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all, so as to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please also give me a thumb up on this video so that this video will get to more people. Thank you very much, and may God bless you for watching.